My name's Esther Heather. I am the Marketing Communications Manager. I've been with Pacific Resort Hotel Group for 4.5 years. I currently live in Aorangi in the Whakapoekura. So I first started with Pacific Resort Hotel Group in the marketing department, same department I'm in now. I was a marketing intern. I started in 2012 and I did that for 3 months, but I enjoyed it so much I extended to 6 months. The best aspect of my role is the diversity in the work that I do. I always have changing deadlines, I'm always on my toes. I love what I do, but it always keeps me kind of jumping between tasks. I have a great team who keep me focused. I have a wonderful team, so I'm really passionate about what I do, and I really do think that Pacific Resort Hotel Group is one of the best companies in the South Pacific. I love being able to sell a product that I believe in. Delivering staff satisfaction in our department, it's all about teamwork. We work as a team, we collaborate as a team, we make decisions as a team, and we have a common goal to reach. So it's everyone's opinions are valid, there's no stupid answers. So that's how our department works, is delivering staff satisfaction.